today I'm making jalapeno popper chicken in the crock pot. So I got about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken that I'm going to season with garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper and salt. Block of cream cheese, and I softened it. And then I'm going to do 1 can of cream of chicken. I'm going to stir this up. I have a packet of ranch. 4 jalapenos chopped up. I took the seeds out for the most part, just because the kids are going to be eating it too. Stir that up. And then 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'll put that mixture on top of my chicken now. I spread that over it. And then I'm going to do a box of stuffing mix just right on top. Stick of butter melted on top of that. I'm going to cook this on low for about 4 to 5 hours, and I'll let you guys know.
I was defending myself, and I was defending my profession, my career, my reputation. So absolutely, I got